right behind you.
Yeah, I was like, we need to form a fucking line change. Oh, he's cool. You're so awesome. I wish I would have seen you the other day. Hey.
Hello.
Are you hungry?
Oh.
No?
Got what she did.
She gave you her own hair for your beard. He's being bitter over here. Look, this is Jennifer. She's in. Look, do you see her right there?
Yeah.
Did you come to play with my guts?
No.
Come on! Here we go, hoop-de-lie. Here we go, hoop-de-lie. Tonight you're gonna die!
Yeah.